Good job, Anna.
My friends and I went to the beach. Bring my floating fish. It's got to hold the air came out.
Good. Very good boy.
Bring your bat and bring your ball. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play.
Are you ready? One.
We are clicking castanets.
So generous means that
I can do it. We are clicking castanets.
we can do it.
We are clicking castanets.
Okay, so
Clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets.
yeah, Ayuka and Mama-san. Good job.
See me play on my drums. Playing drums is lots of fun with a dub. See me play on my
He can't see. Yes, she said. Horizontal.
Water gurgles down the drain. Water gurgles down the drain. Water gurgles down the drain. Good.
Yeah, well done. Well done.
I like to hop, hop, up and down. I like to hop, hop, all around. I like to hop, hop, up and down. Pinky the mouse is my pet. She's little kitty with a red. The ink is red all over the desk. The ink is wet. Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm. They're causing me alarm. When I watch a tennis game. When I watch a tennis game, my head goes back and forth. Puff out the candles on the pink cake. Puff out the candles on the pink cake. Puff, puff, puff.
Yes. Moon. Moon.
Pinky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink is red all over the desk. Ink is wet. Hear the aeroplane. Hear the aeroplane. Hear the aeroplane. Making lots of noise.
Can have 1 point. And what is his mom's name?
The mom and the dad make many meals. The mom and the dad make many meals for their hungry children.
Hi, my name is Nandirtan. I've been for 3 years at Jol Kids.
Hi, my name is Anurag.
Hello, my name is Timolung.
Hi guys, my name is Michelle.
Hello, my name is Nemin.
Hi, my name is Anar.
Hello everyone, my name is Ashmiza.
I think Jol Kids is my best choice.
I love my Jolly Kids and my teachers.
I've studied English for 2 years. In this 2 years, my teachers helped me so much that I can speak in front of anyone.
It's my 3rd year of studying in Jolly Kids. My English has improved a lot.
I liked English. We play games after end of the class.
I'm very happy to come Jolly Kids.
My teachers teach very interesting way for us.
Jolly Kids class is very warm, welcoming and encourageable.
Second and first year I was very shy. And third year I was very energetic boy.
Before I joined Jolly Kids, I didn't know it was very fun and very easy.
They are jolly, friendly, and helpful. Also, I have many friends at Jolly Kids.
So I would like to say very big thanks from my teachers.
Before I joined to Jolly Kids, I wasn't good at English.
I love Jolly Kids.
I love so much learning English.
If you want to learn English and have fun, join us.
Why are you singing?
Don't you know? Today's a special day.
Why?
Today is my...
Pineapple! Look what we made for tea's...
What? What?
Ahoy there, shipmates! Are you ready for the...
What? What?
Am I on time for the surprise?
Surprise? I've had 3 already.
Up.
Trap!
What's a Yes! You found the trap!
Surprise!
Total tomfoolery. Do you even know what today is?
Fall in a hole day?
How about get out of a whole day? Come on!
Rat! Terrific! Come on, little rat. Dig us out of here. Dig, Ratty, dig!
That's a very, very small hole.
Try again.
Are you a doctor?
Tremendous! We can all have a nice cup of tea.
1, 2, 3.
No tea?
Teachers are very friendly and they teaching us very interesting way. They taught me lots of things. They gets me really high and very comfortable to myself.
Манай төс масраг гэдэг хурал болдог. Энэ алхлаар нөгөө англи хэл дээр ихтгэл тавих болон хүмүүсийг өөртөө ингэж итгэх болон өөрийгөө нээж чаддаг болгодог байгаа.
I thought first year in Total was not that good at English. Most of the other schools don't. Most of all, it takes like 5 years to get a good lesson. But this year, I've seen wonderful teachers, very talented.
I do appreciate our teachers' method. I mean the way how they teach their lessons. And what impressed me most is that they do everything from the bottom of their heart. And finally, the Academy of English is the place where leaders are.
Англи хэлийг маш эрчимтэйгээр судалж сурсан. Өмнө зүгээр хідэн текст холбоод хэлдэг байсан бол өнөөдөр IELTS-ийг судалж дэлхийн хэмжээний зүйлийг ойлгодог. Басандаа маш их баяртай.
Нартай яг зэрэгцээд юу хийж байгаа тэр бүгдийг зэрэгцээд хийдэг, өөрөө ядаргаанд ороод имлэг твитгэлээ бид нартай хамт байдаг, сэтгэл зүрхээ зориулдаг. Тэр хүмүүст баярлалаа гэдэг үг ч үнэхээр багдмаар юм шиг санагдаж байна. Тэгээд маш их баярлалаа.